Hi everyone, today I'm experimenting with a fall color palette and I'll show you my art process from beginning to end. And for this piece, it's a little bit different from what I usually create, chibi style watercolor illustrations. And I thought I would do something different and create a series. And so far this is one of two paintings that are this abstract style, and it's something different from what I usually do, but I thought it would be good for me to try to stretch and grow some of my skills. And I also wanted really quiet time to think and just reflect upon my experiences and my art journey so far. So I had a pop-up at the Camp OC, and I was also able to share my work at Seed People's Market. And that was the same weekend that I also had my art on display at the Japanese Cultural Institute in Gardena. And it was really fun to meet different artists and see some friends and make new ones and just connect with people, connect with community members and learn about different artists and what they do. And it was really just fun to talk and meet different people. And I think that that's been one of the greatest joys of doing my artwork. And I met a filmmaker who's also making a documentary of my artwork, and that documentary is in the editing stage. So hopefully I'll be able to share a little bit more about that when that process is done. Lately, I've been spending time in Topanga Canyon, and that's been a really cool experience thanks to a very kind and generous friend who's allowed me to stay there and just to pretend that I'm an artist in residence. And it's been really cool to create some pieces and think about nature. And I'm looking forward to creating more pieces. And actually, this series came about because I was thinking about the fall colors that we would start to see and the plant life all around me. And I hope you enjoy my work. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to share more. Take care. I'll see you next time.